Hello students, good morning to you. In your last videos we discussed about midpoint theorem and intercept theorem. Before midpoint and intercept theorem we already discussed about the exponential factor. After exponential factor there is a logarithm. After some days we will start the logarithm. Before we start the logarithm you should practice the indices again and again. Now today we will start a new topic, very interesting and easiest topic of your course. In geometry part there is a circle, introduction to circle. You know in your earlier classes what is circle, what is radius, what is diameter, what is chord, what is segment, what is sector. But today we will also discuss about our basic things, fundamental components of a circle. Circle is a very interesting chapter and a very easiest chapter. So now you know what is circle. Now what is circle? First we will clarify the circle. Suppose here is a point, that is O. It is a fixed point. O is the fixed point. O is a fixed point. Now circle is a closed curve. Circle is a closed curve around a fixed point in equal distance. Means a set of points around a fixed point with equal distance is called a circle. If we draw this, so every point is distance is same from here to here, all distance are same. So the curved path, circle is a curved path around a fixed point with equal distance is called a curve. Is called a circle. So you can simply say a curved path around a fixed point with equal distance is called a circle. Where is the circle? There is a fixed point and there is a closed curve. So it is a closed curve. It is closed curve. C-U-R-V. Closed curve. So is a circle is a closed curve equidistant from the fixed point around it. That is a circle. Now we will discuss about circle, more things about circle. Look, this is a circle. So this is fixed point O. The fixed point O is called the center of the circle. Center. O is center. And this curved path is called perimeter. We know what is perimeter. What is perimeter? the sum of the sides of a closed figure is called perimeter. Either it may be polygon or circle. In circle case, the perimeter or the another name of perimeter is circumference. SIRCUM, circumference, FERENCE. So this is circumference or perimeter. This circumference and a fixed point all together is called circle, and this closed curve is called perimeter or circumference of the circle, and this fixed point is center of the circle. Now in this closed curve, how many points are there? There are unlimited points on the circumference of the circle. Circumference makes so many points or consists of so many points. Every point of the circumference to the fixed point. Suppose this is OA. What is OA? OA is the radius. OA is the radius of the circle. So what is the radius of the circle? You can write the definition by your own. If there is a question, what is circle? A curved path around a fixed point with equal distance is called a circle, and that curved path is called the circumference of the circle, and the fixed point is the center of the circle. The line joining from the center to the circumference, any point of the circumference, is called the radius of the circle. How many radius are there in a circle? There are unlimited radius in the circle. So this is the radius of the circle. This is circumference of the circle. This is O is the center of the circle. OA is the radius of the circle. Then come to next point. Fixed point, center, radius, then chord. CHORD. What is chord? Chord of the circle. Now you write definition of your own. First understand what is chord, what is radius, what is circumference, what is center. Because circle, what is the circle? A closed curve path around a fixed point with equal distance is called a circle. That closed path is called the circumference of the circle or a perimeter of the circle, and the fixed point is called the center of the circle. Then the line joining from the center to the any point of the circumference is called radius of the circle. The line joining from the center to any point of the circumference is called radius. This is radius. Radius. Now chord. What is chord? The line segment joining any 2 points on the circumference is called chord. Now here is a point B, here is a point C, we join B to C. So B is a point on a circumference, C is a point on a circumference, at least 2 points on the circumference joining together makes a line segment which is called chord. So here BC is the chord of the circle. BC is the chord of the, you can write the definition of a chord. To the line segment joining two points on the circumference is called the chord of the circle. Now if we join, how many chords are there in the circle? There are unlimited chords, and one chord also passes through the center, which is the largest chord. You know, in your earlier classes, just I recall the fundamental things. The largest chord which passes through the center is called the diameter of the circle. Diameter is AD, which passes through the center. Diameter is a chord. It is a chord which passes through the center. So this chord is called diameter. Diameter of the center. So diameter is equal to twice into OA, radius. Diameter, because here from center to circumference, radius, from center to circumference radius, but a direct AD is the diameter. So this is the diameter of the circle. Now our fixed point over, which is center, our radius over, circumference over, chord is over, 2 points, the line joining 2 points on the circumference is called the chord. The largest chord which passes through the center is called the diameter. So diameter is the double of the radius. Diameter is the double of the radius. So diameter AD is equal to 2 OA, double of a radius. So diameter also over. Then we go to next point. Now take a screenshot. Now here is a circle with a fixed point O, which is the center. So O is center of the circle. Now look, some points A, B in outside of the circle. These points are exterior points. Exterior points of circle A and B. Interior point, interior points D, C, also O. On the circle, on the circumference, E and F. This is some little things. Exterior points, interior points, and on the circumference, points on the circumference. We know in your triangle, exterior of the triangle, interior of the triangle, on the triangle. Likewise, exterior of the circle, interior of the circle, and on the circle means on the circumference. This is the exterior point, interior point, and on the point, on the circumference. Then next point we will discuss concentric circle. Concentric circles. Concentric circles. What are concentric circle? Look, here is a point O, here is a circle, here is a circle, here is a circle, but all circles has a fixed point O, means O as the center of circles, center of the circles. So what is the concentric circles? The two or more circles with one center are called concentric circles. Two or more circle with one fixed point or one center with a fixed center are called concentric circles. Understand? Two or more circles with a fixed center or with same center are called concentric circles. These are the concentric circles. Then go to next things, equal circle. Number 2, equal circles. What are equal circles? Circles having equal radius. Circles having equal radius are called equal circles. Suppose this is a circle and here is a circle, here is a point O, here is a point O dash, this radius OA, here O dash B. If OA is equal to O dash B, this radius is equal to this radius. So two circles are said to be equal. So two circles having same radius or two circles having same radius, same radii are called equal circles. Two circles, two or more circles, two or more circles having equal radii radii are called equal circles. Two or more circles having equal radii are called equal circles. So these are the equal circles. Two or more circles having equal radii are called equal circles. So the plural form of a radius is radii, radii. Now it is over concentric circle and equal circles. Then take a screenshot. We will go to next point. Then point 3, circumscribed circle. What is the circumscribed circle? Very important, point. Circumscribed circle. What is circumscribed circle? Now look, the circle that passes all the vertices of the polygon, then that circle is called circumscribed circle. Now take a look on the diagram. Suppose this is polygon, either it may be triangle, A, B, C, D. So A, B, C, D is a polygon. There are 4 vertices A, B, C and D. But here is a circle. Suppose the circle is A, B, C is a circle. A, B, C is a circle. The circle passes through the all vertices of a polygon. That circle is called circumscribed circle. This is called, is very important. This circle is circumscribed circle. This circle is called circumscribed circle. The center of the circle, suppose this is center is O. O is called circumcenter. Very important. Circumcenter. When a circle passes, the circumference of the circle passes through the all vertices of a polygon, then that circle is called circumscribed circle of a polygon, and the center of the circle is called circumcenter. And this polygon A, B, C, D polygon is called inscribed polygon. It is inscribed polygon. Simply we will remember that which inscribed, which is the inner part, that is inscribed. The outer part is circumscribed. The outer part is a circle, so it is circumscribed. The inner part is a polygon, so it is inscribed. But the center of the circumcircle is called circumcenter, and this polygon is inscribed polygon, circumscribed circle. So circumscribed circle, so circumscribed circle, circumcenter, circumscribed circle, and this polygon A, B, C, D is called the inscribed polygon of circle. Circle is called circumscribed of the polygon A, B, C, D. So then circumscribed circle, next point will be inscribed circle, and in center circumscribed polygon, inscribed circle, in center. That is the discussion topic. In next video we will discuss the inscribed circle. What is inscribed circle? Take a screenshot. And what is in center inscribed circle? Then we will discuss the sector, segment, many more things, arc. There are fundamental things. I think the fundamental things of circle will take 2 to 3 videos. No problem. Once we understand the fundamental things, we will go ahead and ahead. So for today, this much. Thanks. Goodbye.